God. So let's join our hands and close our eyes for the morning prayer.
O Lord, Almighty Father, you are the source of all knowledge. I stand before you and can praise you. I know that you love me, you guide me, and you protect me.
Please science, please guide the fabric of tomorrow's technological tapestry. Thank you. Have a knowledgeable day.
Let's enlighten ourselves with today's news headlines.
Good morning. National news. Under construction bridge in Bhagalpur collapsed for the third time in second year. Second, multiple hospitals in Jaipur get bomb threats via email. International news. First, Bangladesh reopens all educational institutions in the state on 18th August 2024. Second, PM Narendra Modi proposes a global development compact at the Global South Summit. Thank you.
Now, here my friend Anushka is here to tell you about the negative and positive effects of science and technology.
Good morning. Positive and negative effects of science and technology. Positive effects. First, improve healthcare and medicine. Second, increase understanding of natural world. Third, technological advancement. Fourth, development of sustainable energy sources. Fifth, improve quality of life. Negative effects. First, environmental degradation, example pollution and climatic change. Second, dependency on technology. Third, misuse of scientific discoveries. Fourth, loss of traditional skills and knowledge. Fifth, nuclear weapon destructions. Thank you.
And school attention. School Saturday, school attention. A very warm and pleasant morning to esteemed principal, respected teachers, sisters and my dear schoolmates. I, Diksha Soni, and we the students of Standard 10 Believers are honored to conduct today's morning assembly. On the theme, Best Annual Day we experienced in Savai. Annual Day is the time of celebration, joy and reflection. It is the day when the entire school committee comes together to showcase their talents and achievements. Indeed, it's a day filled with experiences, memories that stay with us.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Ishika Singh, is standing before you to share my experience on the best annual day I ever had in Survive. This day is etched in my memory not just because of the spectacular performance and the vibrant decoration, but because it symbolized the spirit of togetherness, hard work, joy that defines our school. The annual day I was talking about was a celebration like no other. It was evident in every aspect of an event. From this beautifully crafted cultural performance representing the different states of India. Thank you.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found its words. So let us listen a beautiful poem by my friend Ishika Magiza.
Poem on the topic Annual Day. In the heart of Savai, a night so grand, a memory etched like lines in sand. The annual day, a time so bright, filled with joy and pure delight. Banners fluttered, vibrant and tall. Echoes of laughter filled the hall. Echoes of laughter filled the hall. Speeches rang with words so wise, inspiring hearts, lifting eyes. Songs of hope and unity, voices blended in harmony. The joy we felt, the pride we shared, in every moment, in every word declared. Savite spirit, bold and true, in every Savite spirit, bold and true, shone brightly in all we do. So cheers to Savite, our guiding light, for the best annual day, a wondrous sight, a celebration of who we are, a journey together reaching far. Thank you.
Attention. School standards, school attention. Good morning everyone. I am Atul Parashar from class 10 Challengers. Welcome you all to today's morning assembly. The theme we'll be exploring is something each of us hold within, the power of imagination. Imagination is not just the ability to picture the things in our mind, but it's the ability to create, to innovate and to bring out the positive changes. It's what sets great mind apart, enabling them to see possibilities where others see the obstacles. Let's begin the assembly.
Imagination has no limits. Imagination is a God-given dynamo that opens the doorway to your potential.
Today's thoughts.
Good morning. Third, imagination is more important than knowledge because knowledge is limited but imagination encircles the world. Thank you.
Vocabulary words.
Good morning. Vocabulary words. First, overwhelming, strong. Personage, name, engrossed, busy, musings, thought, curtly, sharp. Thank you.
Every day, the world around us is changing and it's very important for us to stay informed. So my friends are here to share the latest news with us. News headlines.
Good morning.
Today's news headlines. International news. First, Russia neutralizes largest drone attack launched by Ukrainian forces. China opens subsidy probe into imported dairy products from EU.
National news. Jharkhand ex-Chief Minister Champai Soren said he would not quit politics, asserting that the option to float a new political outlook was always open to him. Second, about 13 people were killed and 17 are injured in fire accident at Parma Company in Andhra Pradesh. The incident occurred due to an accidental related fire. Third, the Reservation Bachao Sangharsh Samiti has announced a Bharat Bandh on August 21 as a mark of protest against the Supreme Court ruling on SC/ST reservation. Thank you.
Poem are the powerful way to convey important messages, share ideas and ultimately influence our thinking. Let's welcome Rajeshwari to share a poem.
Good morning. Poem. Every child imaginations can take you to the stars. Every thought and incantations with strong magical power. Children dreams of splendid places of the most fantastic kinds. Beaches as if with funny faces that shall not hard to find. Let us not by dictations, let us not to discuss. It's just the imagination, just run away with us. Thank you.
Take one hand dispense. School sanities, school attention. School sanities, school attention.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, class 10 dreamers has got an opportunity to conduct morning assembly, and our topic is significance of networking with people. Before we proceed, let's create a calm and peaceful environment by
The righteous choose their friend carefully, but the way of the wicked leads them astray.
deliver thought of the day.
Good morning, thought of the day. Networking is not about collecting contacts. Networking is about planting relations. Thank you.
My friends are here to elaborate on the topic, the significance of networking with people.
Good morning to one and all present. I am Krishna. I am going to tell you about the significance of networking. Networking is the process of building and maintaining relationships with an individual or an organization. It opens a door to connect and talk with new individuals. It is not what you know, it is who you know. It is important to have a positive and uplifting environment around you. It helps you to grow. The people whom you are with or the people whom you are talking influence who you are and what you do. Thank you.
Good morning. Here are some reasons why networking is important. First, it leads to the exchange of thoughts. Second, it expands your visibility. Third, it contributes to your social well-being. Fourth, it helps you meet people at all different levels. Thank you and have a nice day.
My fellow mate Vedang is here to recite a poem.
Good morning, myself Vedang Singh Tomar and I am going to deliver a poem. Decide to network uses every letter you write, every conversation you have and every meeting you attend to express your beliefs and dreams, to affirm to others about the vision of the world you want. You are immensely powerful with the source of life and goodness. Think it, radiate it and spread it. Think about it all the day and night and you will see a miracle happen. The greatness of your life. But among the 7 billion individuals, networking is the new form of freedom, a new form of democracy and a new form of happiness.
And yesterday, me and one of my friends got the privilege to go for the Savite Seva service held by our school. And I just want to share my experience, what happened to me after what I saw at the places. First of all, we went to two places. One was an old age home, another was Sidhani Ghat. And while handing out those packets, what I really saw in those people's eyes for just a small packet of food was something.
I am dancing for the Lord. I am dancing for the Lord. I am dancing for the Lord every day. Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
I love my family. Grandmother. Mother. Uncle. Brother. Sister. Family. My lovely family.
Guided by your values of justice, fraternity, equality, freedom, peace, hope, and love. May your will be the motive force of all our dreams.
समझे बागवान बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागवान घड़ी करे रखवाली पत्ती डाली डाली बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागवान बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागवान हर घड़ी करे रखवाली पत्ती पत्ती डाली डाली
मेरी प्यारी बहनें मेरा ध्यान रखती हैं भाई भी रक्षा करती हैं
अब एक का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरे भैया हैं सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है
बहन को ना भूलाना देखो ये नाता निभाना निभाना भैया में राखी के बंधन को निभाना भैया मेले की कलाई पर कलाई पे लागी बने ना मांग किए वादा सदा संग भैया भूल न सब मिठाई और सबसे खाई खूब चलाई अपनी रख बंधन थैंक यू
Look this one. Yes, that's it.